Hello everyone, this is Ankita here and welcome back to my channel. We are visiting Bangkok to Phuket by bus and I'll be sharing all the travel details and my travel experience in this video. And also there's a scam alert near one of the temples in Bangkok in which we were almost trapped. So I'll be sharing that information too. So stay tuned till the end. Also to check my other Bangkok videos, click the card in this video or check the links in the description. We have reached here. It took around half an hour to reach here from our hotel. Our hotel was at Sukhumvit 4. We booked one taxi from Grab app. Within half an hour we reached here. Now we are going upstairs and we'll check for the bus. We want 6:30's bus, so let's see. Initially, we had decided to travel from Bangkok to Phuket by flight, but since we did not plan well in advance, that is, we booked the tickets just 2 weeks ago, that too in December, which is the peak season. Flight prices were almost 3 times higher, and that's the reason we decided to go by bus. So as you enter, you will see these stalls for shopping, food stalls and some restaurants, and there are around 3-4 levels here. Each level has ticket booth centers for different destinations and each level has such kind of shopping stalls and restaurants. We are here at Sai Tai bus station, which is also called Southern Bus Terminal. So many counters are there. Each counter is of different tools. Actually, I saw a few videos of buses which were very nice. Let's see, we have booked VIP bus and hoping that the seats are good and the journey is comfortable. We are not very sure. For VIP, the price was 1112 baht, so 1112 baht, but we got it at 991 baht. Few of the booths, they do not have any discount. So you can check at different booths, check the rates, compare the rates and book, and if possible you try to book a day prior or early in the morning. If you come like 4-5 hours ago also you will get, but there is a possibility that you might not get the buses or seats as per your choice. You will have to select maybe another bus, standard bus. We actually wanted a bus after 6 o'clock. Buses were full VIP. So now only 5:40 p.m. bus was there. So we booked those. We did not want to take any chance. So we booked through this Lignite Travels. I know you won't be able to read it and even communicating with them is difficult. They don't know English, so we use Google Translator. We literally have to speak in words. Sentences they don't understand, so you have to just break words and talk to them. And also this place is huge. So Sai Tai Mai terminal, when you enter it, you will feel like it is a mall. If you don't want to go outside and you want to stay here, you can do some shopping. There are, I guess, 3-4 different levels here. I can see some shirts hanging for 50 baht. I don't know how it is. If I have time in the evening before bus, I will check out some stuff. It's 12:30 now. So we will head out now and see the Grand Palace, and by 5 p.m. we are planning to be here. And we had luggage, so we kept our luggage here only. They charge 20 rupees per luggage, so per bag 20 rupees they charge, even if you have a backpack which is small, and if that is also counted as one piece. So we paid 200 baht because we had 6 here, a family, and we had 6 bags plus some additional backpacks. Now we are going outside. Bus bookings and everything is done. Our bus timing is 5:40 and we have to reach here by 5 p.m. We booked a cab from the Southern Bus Terminal to the Grand Palace, and the cab driver actually didn't drop us exact at the gate of the Grand Palace, but he dropped across the road, stating that he'll have to take a longer U-turn. So as we got down there, one person approached us and he asked us whether we are visiting the Grand Palace temple and from where we came, etc. And he told us that the temple is closed for 2 hours, and by that time we can visit another temple which is Wat Pho, which is across the river. To take us in confidence, he started telling about himself, that he is a teacher here in the school nearby, and some things about him also. And unfortunately we believed him. There were few Tuk Tuk standing there. He told that they will drop us at 20 baht per person and it's nearby. We went there. Actually, I don't have the exact point where it happened, because I lost a few of the videos and data while data transfer, but I have this video. We had just started, we just sat in the tuk-tuk there and left. So this is the place where it happened. From here they took us to a boat terminal, which was just 1 to 2 kilometers away from this point. As we reached there, there was a lady standing. She had a stall and she told us that they will take 1000 baht per person just to cross the river, visit the temple and come back. Then we found that something is fishy. They started negotiating with us, and at the end they dropped to 600 baht for all 6 of us. But we didn't believe. It was confirmed that they are doing some scam. We actually connected with few locals passing by, and one of the locals actually understood what we were saying, and he told that the actual boat terminal to go across the river is ahead, where they take just 5 baht per person. So we planned that we'll go back to Grand Palace again from where we came, but none of the tuk-tuk drivers, they were ready to come, as they were all in the same team. So that guy, that local, he helped us with a shorter route to either go to the Grand Palace temple or the boat terminal, as both were same distance. So we followed his instructions, and then we passed through one university and reached that Grand Palace temple again walking. As we reached there, we found that the temple was not closed, it was open, and those guys were trying to scam us. Though we saved money, but in all this we lost 2 to 3 hours of our time. We couldn't visit all the temples we had planned. In a hurry, we visited the 2 temples which were nearby, which was Grand Palace and the Emerald Buddha. And even lunch we skipped because we had a bus in the evening at 5. So we had some snacks on the way. Actually, we had in mind that because the bus is leaving at 5:30, the bus will take a halt at least 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, but that didn't happen. So that is another story which I'll tell you later. But yeah, be aware of such people. Wherever you go, people are ready to fool you and scam you. So before believing anyone, confirm once and then take, because that entire day was ruined. So be aware. And after all this hustle and spreading some awareness, here's a glimpse of our temple visits. Ticket price is 500 baht per person. We then visited Wat Pho, that is the Reclining Buddha temple, which is just adjacent the Emerald Buddha temple, and the ticket price of Wat Pho is 200 baht per person. So just at the exit of the Wat Pho temple, there was a bus stand, and by the time we were booking our cab, we got a bus directly for Southern Bus Terminal, from where we have to leave for Phuket. We collected our bags from near the ticket counter, and we are going to a bus platform which is at the ground floor.
Platform number 69.
69. Everything was very well organized at the Southern Bus Terminal, and platform numbers will be mentioned on your ticket. So this is our bus, and it has a good luggage space. Also, this bus has a washroom inside, so you can see there's a washroom besides the stairs. Our seats are at upper deck as all the seats were full at the lower deck. The seats are good but not as expected as I had seen in the video. So if you book tickets well in advance, a day or two prior, you will get more better buses and more better seats. In this bus, they also provide snacks which has cookies, a cake and some drink and a blanket. One thing to note that our bus started at 5:40 p.m. and we thought that bus will take a halt at least by 9 or 10 p.m. for dinner. But the bus took a halt at 1 a.m. It was a big food court, food mall, but there were no veg options. The only thing in veg they had was egg rice and some fruits, so we had to rely on fruits only. If you only eat veg food or Indian food, then make sure that you pack some food from Bangkok itself for your dinner. We did not do that, and so we had to rely just on fruits which we got there at that stop. So we would actually prefer traveling by flight rather than bus. So people who are comfortable traveling 13-14 hours in bus, they can definitely travel because everything is provided. For us, it was very tiring traveling 13 to 14 hours as the seats were semi-sleeper seats. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we have reached Phuket Bus Terminal 1, and from here it is half an hour to 40 minutes ride to our hotel, which is at Kata Beach. We are looking for taxi right now and there's a taxi booth here. You can see the fare chart. So the fare depends on which beach you want to go. So for Kata Beach it is mentioned 600 baht, and the fare mentioned here is for 3 passengers, and since we were 6 people they took 700 baht from us.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. Go now.
So this was our taxi ride, and that's how we traveled from Bangkok to Phuket by bus. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and drop in your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in my next videos. Until then, bye bye.